In this video, I'll show you how to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11 the easy way. No data loss, no stress. Let's get started. First, open any web browser that is on your computer. Go to the following page. You can find the website link in the description below this video. Move down under the Download Windows 11 Disk Image section. Click to select the Windows 11 Multi-Edition option. Choose your preferred language and click Confirm. Click 64-bit download. Here you can see the download is started. When done, click on File Explorer. Open the Downloads folder. Here you can see the image file. Drag and drop it onto the desktop. Now right-click on it and then select Mount. Move up here and type CMAD. Hit Enter on your keyboard. Under Command Prompt, type in this code, setup /product server. Hit Enter. Click Yes to continue. Now the setup will start. Click Next. Click Accept to continue. Here, choose what to keep during this installation process. For this video, I'm just upgrading from Windows 10 to Windows 11, so I will choose Keep Files, Settings, and Apps. Click Next. Now we are ready to install. Just click on this button to start the process. The installation may take 30 minutes to an hour, so be patient. Once it's done, you'll be on the sleek new Windows 11 interface. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to it next, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips every week.